So I'm here with Libin from Huawei to talk about some of the key aspects of transformation underway in the communications market. So Libin, good to see you again. The telco cloud is a phrase that's very often used in this industry. But from a Huawei perspective, what does this actually mean? What does this mean for the network operators that are trying to introduce telco cloud?
Well, before talking about telco cloud, we need to talk a little bit about NFVI. Okay. Following the ETSI framework, NFVI is a NFV infrastructure supporting the NFV applications. From Huawei perspectives, that telco cloud is on the basis of NFVI, but not limited to NFVI.
Okay.
What we see that for telco cloud, we need to attach more features and functionalities on top of it. We have SDN, and we need to support cloud native, and we need to support a carrier grade availability and performance optimization, and we need to support the orchestration as well.
Sure.
So simply saying that telco cloud is very essential for the operator to transform their existing infrastructure, and we should not limit it to the NFVI. We must be able to support the new features that I just described.
Okay, so cloud native, that's another phrase that's cropping up a lot that's very important to the transformation for communication service providers. So what does cloud native actually mean from a Huawei perspective?
Right, for the NFV transformation, we believe that there are 3 stages. The first one will be a very basic stage, which is virtualization.
Okay.
After that, it is a cloudification with some additional features and functions. And after these 2 stages, we are talking about cloud native.
Okay.
With cloud native, you have to support those new functions and features like container, like microservices, like DevOps, and the continuous delivery as well.
Okay.
With cloud native, the operator can actually provide a very much unified platform. On top of that platform, the operator can provide a very flexible services, not the existing kind of services, but a very small granularity of functionality. In order to satisfy the specific requirements, the operator can very fast, very effectively introduce the new services. The time to market will be very much shortened.
Okay, so it's a very important evolutionary step. And you mentioned there the enablement of being able to create and deliver services much quicker. Now, what kind of impact is that going to have on the ability of communication service providers to deliver and build businesses around new B2B services for enterprise customers?
Well, I think our perspective is that B2B is definitely a very significant opportunity for the service carrier, for the communication service providers. The B2B customers, they are actually looking to be supported in 2 perspectives. One is communication, the other thing is IT applications. Right. In the old times, the enterprises has to be supported by separate vendors, but separate service providers.
Right.
We're talking about the telco and the cloud.
Okay.
Right. But now we believe that the communication service provider can penetrate from the communication towards the IT.
Okay, and bring it all together. Right.
Exactly.
Okay.
So with these cloud native based infrastructure, the operator can provide a wide range of solution and services for the B2B customers. For those services we're talking about, includes firstly the connectivity, which is communication,
sure,
and the cloud communication as well. The second stage would be the value-added services, such as the firewall, the security, the load balance, the WAN accelerator, these kind of things. And in the long term, we are seeing that the operator will be able to provide some very, intelligent services like the analytics, the big data, as well as the machine learning, the bandwidth management, the full automation of operation.
Okay.
So that's a very bright future for the operator to get into this B2B marketplace.
Okay.